Namaskar. There's a saying in English, morning shows the day. It's important to get a good start to the day. In fact, one of the secrets of long life is waking up in the Brahma Muhurta. That means the hour of Brahma. And this is between 4 and 6 a.m. That's because the vibrations are very conducive to the introversial practice of meditation. And all over the world, our first meditation is at 5 a.m. in our centers. And many spiritual traditions, they also have the practice of early morning meditation. So there's another saying in English, early to bed, early to rise, makes a person healthy, wealthy, and wise. So it's important to sleep early, not to sleep late and then get up late, because we will miss many important practices in that morning routine. So what's the morning routine like? Well, first we take a bath, so we're fully awake, and then we lie down, and we do called knee flex. In Sanskrit it's called Utkepa Mudra. So we're lying down and we flex the legs out. Bring the knees to the chest and flex them out like this 4 times. We sit up and drink a glass of water that's been sitting overnight. And this will help us for any constipation or indigestion we have. Then we'll start our 5 a.m. meditation. So this consists of one song, spiritual song from the Prabhat Sangeet series, followed by 15 minutes of the Bhavanam Kevalam Kirtan, and then at least 10 minutes of meditation. And if we have time, we can sit longer, because it's a very good time when it's quiet to do long meditation. Family person may not have much time. They may not be able to do more than 30 minutes and they have to go to work. After that meditation, we would do our dances. The Shiki dance, and for brothers, the Tandava dance. And how long depends on your age, one's habits and health condition. For me, at my age, I like to do 10 minutes of the Kaushiki dance and 2.5 minutes of the Tandava. Thereafter, we will do the yoga postures, our asanas. Again, 4 to 6 poses is enough, and they vary from person to person. And following the asanas, we do our self-massage and finish with 2 minutes minimum of deep relaxation pose. And so then we're ready for breakfast. What is breakfast? Again, varies from country to country. In the East, they like to take rice for breakfast. In the West, they like to take fruits, yogurt, maybe porridge of buckwheat or oats, and a slice or 2 of whole wheat bread or sourdough bread. And so morning routine finished 8:30, 9 o'clock, and it's time to work. Maybe office work, maybe meeting, maybe planning for meeting, planning for online or offline meetings, classes. My colleagues all over the world, they are engaged in different projects. Maybe they're running a school, a children's home, they're doing disaster relief work, they're working on an organic farm, or they're growing food and producing something from that. So everybody's work routine is different. So this is a general template that one could use, and it's important to get as many of these items in as you can in the day. And that's why it's very important to sleep properly, not to sleep too late. So when you get up, you can do as much of these practices as possible. And never neglect breakfast, unless for medical reasons, because that will give you the energy to pass through all of the duties you have to do in the morning until your lunch time. So maybe you have some other routine which you find very helpful for your all-around health. Please share it in the chat. Thank you. Namaskar. Namaskar. Friends, because of your donations and support, we're able to continue to do recordings on meditation, spirituality, and inspiration. If you'd like to help with a donation, you can find a link in the description of this video. I'd like to thank you very much. Namaskar.